Hi everyone. Is your iPhone feeling slow or lazy? Let's fix it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. First, restart your iPhone. This clears temporary glitches and instantly improves performance. Step 2. Clear storage. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Delete unused apps, photos, or videos. Low storage can slow down your phone. Step 3. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install the latest update. It often fixes bugs and improves speeds. Step 4. Turn off background app refresh. Go to Settings, General, Background app, refresh and turn it off for unnecessary apps. Step 5. Reduce motion effects. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion. Turn on reduce motion. This makes your iPhone feel faster instantly. And that's it. Your iPhone should now feel much faster and smoother. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more quick iPhone tips.